You absolutely need to learn today's hairstyle. It requires a bit of patience, but not many complex skills, and it's guaranteed to turn heads at any evening event. Let's get into it. First, divide your hair into 3 horizontal sections. We'll start curling from the very bottom. What's different this time is that you need to hold the curling iron upside down, wrap the hair tightly, and hold it for at least 10 seconds. As you release it, catch the curl in your hand to support it before letting it drop. Now, repeat the same process, but it's best to wait about 10 seconds for the curl to cool down before dropping it. As you can see with this first one, I didn't hold it long enough, so the curl isn't very bouncy. Next, just keep repeating these steps all over. Now that the entire head is curled, we need to brush them out very carefully. Gently clip up the top layer so we don't ruin the curls. We'll start with the bottom layer first. Whatever you do, don't brush straight down to the ends all at once, or the curls will drop fast. You want to brush through the hair in sections. Then, let down the top layer and continue brushing. At this point, the curls will start falling into the same wave pattern. You can use your comb to lift the hair upward to enhance the bounce and elasticity. Apply some hairspray to lock everything in place and slowly adjust the waves. And there you have Ita. Perfect, glamorous curls are complete. Isn't this hairstyle super simple? See you next time!